Hey guys, it's your girl Mia Ashanti and I'm back with another video. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be recreating one of my most viral TikTok videos. Actually, it went more viral on YouTube Shorts than on TikTok. I think it got like 150,000 views. Wait, it might have been more viral on TikTok. Either way, it was my most viral shorts on YouTube. So I wanted to recreate this hairstyle mainly because I haven't really given my hair a break. I've been putting it in half up, half down, slick bags, stuff like that. And I don't really want to do a protective style that I'm going to be wearing for a month, but maybe like a weekly protective style. So I'm just going to be doing this little goddess braids on my natural hair to just give my hair a little break from manipulation. So I'm starting with my hair. I just washed it with main nutrients. My natural hair line. Everything I use in this video is gonna be from my natural hair line because y'all need to shop with me. So my roommate's about to part my hair for me because I want the parts to be extra sleek and clean this time. Last time I didn't really, you know, make sure it was clean. I just parted it and just did my thing. But I want the boxes to be very neat, so I'm gonna get somebody else to do it for me. So when the boxes are created and everything's done, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is what my parts were looking like. I ended up actually going to sleep. That's why my hair is so dry. But my roommate finished my parts last night and I went to bed. So with the fact that my hair was dry, I went in with the Mish Beauty Boost Hydrating Leave-In and Curl Refresher Spray and detangled my hair first. And this leave-in spray kept my hair very, very moisturized. If you want to see me using some more Mish Beauty products, you should check out my last video. So now that I put the leave-in spray, I went in with the Shining Gem and I put that around my roots and just smoothed that in. That's what gave me the more sleek look when I began braiding. This made my parts look very clean. So I began to braid regularly. I did braid this one overhand. Throughout my head, I did switch between under and over because my hands were cramping. I didn't really care too much about which type of braid that I did. I think overhand looked smoother, so if you want a smoother look, you should try overhand. So as I'm braiding down, once I get to a good point, I want to stop and pull a strand out of one of the starting pieces. So I'm going to continue to do that, and then I'm going to do it again on another piece. As you can see here, I'm about to pull a piece out. And I do put the hair in my mouth because it helps me keep it out the way. I know somebody in my last video asked why was I putting my hair in my mouth. It's because I wanted it to get out of the way and won't keep getting caught. So when you finish the braid, you always want to make sure you add some product to the end and curl those ends. So I'm using the Main Nutrients Mango Moisturizing Twisting Cream. This is what I applied to my hair first, and then I went in with the Mango Curl Defining Custard, and this added some definition to the curls that are left out, and this helped it stay moisturized and look good. You want your curls hanging out to look good. Also, I did want to say, some people with 4C hair have been asking me like what can they do because they feel like their hair won't look right. Someone in my other video suggested in the comments that you use perm rods on the hair that's left out, and honestly I would use this myself because Throughout the week, my curls do begin to fall, and I feel like defining your hair later on, it doesn't always hit the same as the beginning. So you can just add a little mousse or so to your hair and then use perm rods, and that'll help your curls stay defined. In my previous video, people asked me how many pieces of hair did I leave out of each braid. In the last one, I used around 2 to 3, and in this video, I use 1 to 2 strands. It's really your own preference on how many curls you want to stick out. I think 1 to 2 is pretty decent, but I do think it depends on what size braids that you choose to do. I also have no preference on where I take the hair out. I just like to take it out the biggest strand at the moment, because as you take hair out, it's going to make the braid skinnier. So I try to take it out the biggest piece of hair that makes it stay more even and not too unproportional. I then went in with the main nutrients, extra strength growth oil. I applied this throughout my hair, to my ends, to the actual braids, and I applied it to my scalp. I didn't show it here. And I went in with the mold and hold mousse from main nutrients as well. This gave my hair a more sleek finish. I then put my scarf on top after. Lastly, I added some seashells to my hair. Somebody actually suggested this in my last video. I probably would have never thought to do it, but it was so cute. It just turned this style up. It just gave it what it was missing. Ooh, I love the seashells. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you shop Main Nutrient. And if you like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I have great videos on the way for you guys. I know I always say that, but I do. I really, really do. I got some great content planned, and I'm super, super excited for the future. See you later. Bye.